Not sure I just dare take this the rest of the way up there.
He was gonna tip this truck over.
All right, it's morning, just barely morning though. Sun hasn't even came up yet. We're on our way to do a recovery. Got a Chevy truck that slid off the side of the hill. We gotta go winch it back up on so it doesn't tip over. Shouldn't be a big deal, but it is to him because he's stuck, so we'll go help him. Jace is getting up, getting ready. We'll jump the tow truck on the trailer. We got about an hour drive to get to him, and then hopefully just tug him right out and no big deal. So here we go. Truck's on, strap her down, and take you for a ride. Hopefully this one goes smooth. Has potential to turn out bad, but I think it's gonna be fine. I think the picture I got, I don't know how far I can get up above it to winch it back up, but we'll go find out. Alrighty, we have made it to the dirt road turnoff here. We'll get the old tow truck all unloaded, get some cameras rigged up in it, and go up and see what we got. We'll make it happen. So this is the spot, huh?
This is the road.
All right.
It's right up there. That.
It didn't look like it was too far. Looking on Onx, it looked like it was. So you just got on the side of the hill and slid off, or?
Coming around this little bend and there's some step off rocks, and I'm like, ooh, I better go around those so I don't scrape an oil pan or something. And my back tire popped and slid.
Oh yeah.
And then I tried to inch it back and forth to the point that
got worse and worse and worse.
Now it's gonna need that.
Okay, well we'll go up and get you back on the trail and get you out of there.
Make sure I have keys.
Oh yeah, we'll need the keys, so we'll get our stuff ready and meet you up there.
All right.
There's the story. Let's go see if we can winch this thing out. The supercharger whines like crazy when it's cold.
Bird, red hawk or whatever. That bird's out there rabbit hunting that goes under.
Yep, rabbit or mice, something.
What unit is this?
This is the beaver.
So they're all the same time. So it's the muzzleloader hunt starts tomorrow.
That's what he was doing, was out looking for deer, seeing where he was going to go muzzleloader hunt. Oh, I can see it right there. I can see the truck.
Not sure I just dare take this the rest of the way up there. It's right there.
Fine. Hand us the keys and we'll go get it and bring it back to you right here.
Sweet.
It'll just take us a few minutes. We'll winch it up and we'll get out of there.
Okay.
We'll see you in a second.
We'll see you in a bit. That shouldn't be too bad.
No, I think we can just put tension on it and drive it back up on the road and ease it out of there.
Heck yeah. If you can see, there's a red glistening right up there.
He's in a precarious situation right here. Let's go eyeball this situation and see what we can do with it. That's actually tip over country going off there. It has a big shelf. He was gonna tip this truck over. If he would have turned the wheels and dove straight off, he could have probably made it out.
I don't know.
Any more and he was done.
I think we can get above him though.
I think I'm just gonna park right here and we'll hook the side winch on and I'll just get in it and drive it back up on the road.
All you just need is a little tension.
Yeah, just to keep it, and we'll squeak it up on.
He's got the same tires as you do.
That's because they were cheap on Amazon. All right, I'll park this thing right there-ish.
Okay.
We'll see.
I might be a little tipsy.
I think it'll pull fine.
Are you gonna hook on the back or the front?
I think I'm gonna squeak the back up on a little, and then I'm gonna back up onto that rock again, and hook to the front, and drive out.
All the leaves are starting to change colors.
Yeah, it's starting to get fall.
That's getting your truck tipsy. But it's working though. There you are, you're on the road now. Want to move the tow truck forward? You can just drive it out?
That's the game plan.
I think you got it. If you can go back a little bit more.
I'm gonna run this winch and just squeak myself around it.
Okay.
And we got it.
There we are. Look at that. One side winch did the whole thing. Oh yeah, he was in a predicament there. That would have.
It was bad.
He would have got a little damage there.
Well, side winches are stupid handy when you can't climb a side hill. You can just park by them and pull them out.
And the ability of the tow truck, it was literally, the tire was like, just taking it.
Yeah, he was in a bad way there.
Yeah.
So I just kicked it in two-wheel drive, let it spin a little and slide up on. All right, that's that. I'll turn around. If you want to pull that truck down a little, I'll whip around right here and
okay.
Follow you out.
He's a bad machine. We shall continue the driving of the Chevy truck.
This whole truck is pretty amazing how capable it is. Stupid low center of gravity. You can get it in some dumb places and still pull on it with the winch and it just stays there. The way we designed the rear suspension to bottom out when you put a load on it makes it so it doesn't try to tip over when you load it up. I forget how good it rides when you're in a stock truck though, like the one in front of us. You have to go super slow on this stuff. All these leaves changing colors makes me want to go elk hunting pretty bad. Let us know if you guys want to see some of that. If we should take a camera along with us and video a little of it, or if we should just go have a good time. Either way, I'm going. Leave it in the comments if you guys want to see some of our elk hunting trip.
We haven't made it back. We got her out.
I had no doubt you'd get it out. But if I'd have tried one more inch to go that way at that back end, it would have been bad news.
That was gonna be bad.
Yeah, you quit at the right time. It wasn't far from tipping over. Hey, you know how to bribe us. Look at that.
Some good
you guys
stuff,
have
right?
never had cheese curd from the creamery in Beaver. You're missing out. Cool, thank you. Well, you're good to go. No harm done. No dents, no scratches, no nothing.
If the back end had been a little bit more this way, we might have been having a totally different conversation, because I'd have probably dove off and drove out the bottom.
See, I told him, I'm like, if he'd have just pointed downhill, he might have made her out of there.
We talked about it, but my back end was just to the point where it was just too close to that edge to get.
I mean, that was a 4-foot drop you were going to go down before. Probably would tip
like
you
I said,
over.
if it had been a foot or two this way, and I could have just turned and dove down, I'd have probably dove and done down. But
yep. Well, this way you for sure didn't hurt your truck.
I didn't want to hurt my
good.
truck.
Yeah, now you can go hunting tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, anytime. See you later. Oh, well, I guess we're out of here. Well, that could have went worse, right?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Pretty easy, worked out well.
Worked out.
He's going hunting tomorrow now.
Gonna go kill him a 30-pointer.
I wish I was. I wish I was going hunting tomorrow instead of work. Yeah, just need that rebound fixed.
Yeah.
That's a big one. take the air off the airbags, then it won't do it as bad. Without air, it tries to pogo you.
Yeah.
You're a little heavy.
We're on though. Nice.
All right, that's a wrap.
That was pretty easy. Not bad. The old truck makes hard stuff easy, so we'll load up and head back to the shop. That one's done, so thanks for watching. So we're going with 49 Chevy Coupe. I picked this car up a couple months ago, and it's all pretty much original, but it runs, drives. We redone the brake system, the fuel system. So technically you could jump in this car, drive it anywhere in the US today. The cool thing about this car is you get a whole bunch of extra parts with it. The trunk's clear full of do-it-yourself parts. So all the chrome strips, all the pieces, you can put them back on it as you like. Thank you very much for coming out and supporting the Mount Carmel Car Show and Fab Rats. We love you guys. We couldn't do it without you. And we really appreciate you supporting our small little community, and this is the lifeblood of it. Without you guys, we don't exist. So thank you very much.
The winner of the coupe is Jim Rook.
Is Jim Rook here? There he is.
All right.
You are the proud new owner.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm so excited for you. This car is seriously
awesome.
so
Let me show
cool.
you some stuff that I know about it. The key switch is a little finicky. It's backwards. So if you just take and turn it to here, the gas gauge will go up. That's how you know the key is on.
Like you own it.
I tried for the one last year too.
Did you?
Yes.
Well, lucky for you. You came back 2 years in a row.
Yep.